Good morning, class. It's Monday. This is your Monday morning message. This is a picture of Leilani in green and Bella in purple. And last Monday was Memorial Day, May 25th, in honor to honor those who had fallen in wars or who had served in wars or in the military. And so they did this for my dad who just died in 2018. His name was Arthur Jerome Mitchell. He lived from 1937 to 2018 and he served 25 years in the US Navy. And so they just created that just in memory of him and his service that he did for his country. So with that, I thought that was sweet. Today you're going to have Spanish at 9:10. You also have a pre-recorded spelling test. Um, we will have some reader writer notebook pages, go through vocabulary and faces of steam, presentations. Whatever we don't finish today, we will do in the next days. You should be actively reading your book online if you needed to for your biography book report. During math today, in each group, you're going to work on the IXL diagnostic, and I will monitor you. I can real time monitor you as far as how long it's taking to do a problem or if you're working too fast. So I'll be able to do that. You will not have to put your screens on when we get started. You can have your screen off, but I will be monitoring that you are doing the diagnostic. So yeah, so we're counting down our days and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you soon.